Last night, me and my husband sit down here, and me asked him yesterday afternoon why me can play some song. He said when he done, we book up. So when he done, me put the music to Jesse. And me put on some Jim Reeves, and me and he sit down close, and I'm there with our phone. And he said, come home and run go see if Noel can go see put Watchman from the iMac. So come out, he throw his phone tap me now, come out, and he approached the gate, he opened the gate, and when he opened the gate, he coming back for the motorcycle, because see if his brother would send the man from the iMac. The man, we barely see the cutlass I saw, and they were pushing back Frankie in the yard. And when they pushing back Frankie in the yard, Frankie said, what happened to you, boy? Why you do? He said, go in this house yard, Tom. You know, because he said, bandit. Then we see another one with the gun. You know, so me be calm. And they get Frankie that blood and soda bandit. And they hold up down Frankie, and Frankie fight, and Frankie holler to glory. And when Frankie holler now, but like the thing now come for holler as a thief, but you holler very loud, like how we get you holler. And the man get the cutlass, and the man got cut out the neck and said, oh, I not cut out my husband's neck. I not kill him. And Frankie fight, but the cutlass came and cut him. And by a hold of the cutlass, he now lose the cutlass with dead. We think he handsome, we must see them next cut. Well, that one day with me from the gun just say, me see hold me knife, he pull him down so. And he said, take out the earring. He pull out this one get a little buster back in this. And he said, take out the thing the way you get to your hand. So, I say nothing, I sit down easy because I'm diabetic. And I feel so nervy, but to be honest, I don't know how I meet on the ground. I don't know if I fall down or they push me or whatsoever. But I find myself maybe on the ground. And Frankie, and Frankie.
Grab the cutlass. When I grab the cutlass fine. And the cutlass, it cut me here and blood falling. It cuffed me head, it cuffed me mouth. You shove this clot. From clot, look at this clot, you shove him in the mouth, come in and holler. And I take him off and it's still holler hard. Me hard when they tell me hard. And my body here, only here, he called this man and take a cutlass and he slam him 3 times. When he slam him 3 times, I saw him running around out and then I take them away. And then fire one road and then